No-code and low-code tools, are they revolutionizing the way we develop apps? Or are they about to send developers running for the hills? Today, we're diving into the world of no-code and low-code platforms, and more importantly, answering the million-dollar question, should developers be worried about their jobs? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether to embrace the rise of no-code low-code, or start sharpening your resume. You might not need that resume after all. Welcome to the Coder Therapist, where we unpack all things tech. Before we get all doom and gloom, let's start with the basics. What exactly are no-code and low-code tools? No-code platforms are like those drag-and-drop websites we used to play with in middle school, but on steroids. With no-code, you can build apps without typing a single line of code. That's right, no syntax errors or undefined variable nightmares. Then, we have low-code tools. They're kind of like no-code smarter, more technical sibling. You get the power of visual development but can still dive into actual code when you need to. It's like a best of both worlds scenario, at least in theory. In short, no-code is, I don't even need to know what a semicolon is, and low-code is, okay, I know what a semicolon is, but I don't want to write 5,000 of them today. Now, why are these platforms gaining so much traction? In one word, speed. Businesses love them because they make it super fast to create apps, websites, and workflows. Think about it, building a mobile app from scratch could take months, but with no-code tools, someone can whip up a working prototype in hours. Plus, these tools make development accessible to non-technical folks. Your marketing team can build landing pages without sending you a Slack message that says, "Hey, can you fix this button? It's broken again." Sounds like paradise, right? At this point, you're probably wondering, where's my slice of this paradise pie? But hold on. Before we all jump ship and start applying for non-tech jobs, let's talk about the limits of these tools. No-code and low-code sound great for quick prototypes or small apps, but when it comes to more complex or customized solutions, they hit a brick wall. Can you build an enterprise-level e-commerce site or a real-time data processing platform with no code? Probably not. These tools are great for MVPs and smaller-scale apps, but once things get serious, custom workflows, integrations, security concerns, that's where developers come in. You know, the stuff that makes you pull your hair out and question all your life choices as a coder. So, should you, as a developer, be packing your bags and planning a career change? Not so fast. Developers still play a huge role in this new world of no-code and low-code. Here's why. Customization. When no-code tools hit their limits, developers come in to create those custom functionalities and intricate workflows that are beyond drag-and-drop capabilities. Scaling. No-code apps are great for small businesses, but when you're dealing with apps that need to scale or handle thousands of users, developers need to step in to optimize and refactor. Security. No-code platforms aren't usually built with the robust security features of a fully coded solution. Developers are needed to ensure that apps are secure, compliant, and protected from potential vulnerabilities. Maintenance. No-code apps might work now, but what happens when you want to add new features, fix bugs, or handle technical debt? Yep, developers to the rescue again. So while no-code tools might seem like magic to some, developers are the real wizards who make sure it all works behind the scenes. Let's take a peek into the future, shall we? In the coming years, we're not going to see no-code or low-code replace developers. Instead, we'll likely see a world where these tools enhance the work developers do. Think about it, no-code tools can handle the repetitive, boring tasks, freeing up developers to work on the fun stuff. Imagine not having to spend hours building simple forms or CRUD apps because someone else can whip them up in no time. It's like having a magical intern who handles the busy work while you, the wizard, tackle the big problems. Developers can focus on architecture, system design, and building those cool algorithms that no-code just can't touch. So, instead of seeing no-code as a threat, developers should look at it as a tool, a way to level up productivity and work on more important, creative tasks. So, should developers be worried about the no-code and low-code revolution? Nope. Not even a little bit. Here's the truth, these tools are here to help, not replace. They open up development to a wider audience, sure. But when it comes to building complex, scalable, and secure applications? In short, your job is safe. You'll still be the hero who saves the day when things go wrong, the architect who builds the foundation, and, of course, the meme lord in the Slack channel. What do you think about no-code and low-code tools? Are you using them to speed up your workflow, or do you think they'll never replace the power of actual coding? Drop a comment below and let us know. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content right here on the Coder Therapist. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and maybe give no code a try, just for fun.